Hello, Concho here. Today we're going to be making the Caipirinha, Brazilian cocktail made with cachaca, a half a lime, some sugar, ice, etc. And it's going to be wonderful. It's one of the tastiest cocktails you can have. So I've got my lime into the tumbler there. We're going to take a couple of spoons, glass spoons of sugar, and we're going to muddle. So the muddling, what that does is it gets all the oils. The sugar acts as a sort of abrasive against the lime, and you get the oils from the lime skin, also all the juice, obviously. Then we take, quite simply, I'm using 2 ounces of this spirit straight into there. Then we just take our ice, put it in there. A little bit more ice, I think. Then we're going to shake this baby. Doesn't need too much shaking. And then we don't strain, we just pour the whole amount of liquid straight into the glass. Here's the fruit, the lime, sorry, and the ice, and it all comes together. And what we have is a beautiful, limey, alcoholic, sugary mix in a glass, which tastes quite simply like a Brazilian heaven. Cheers. Keep watching.